Hi besties, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all having a wonderful, amazing day today. Today we're doing a Temu haul. I mean, what else would we do, right? We love a Temu haul. Yes, we do. And just in case anyone asks, this wig is from Chelsea Smith Cosmetics. It is the style Brinkley and Apricot, or Brinkley Apricot. It's kind of like a pinkish blonde almost. I really like this color. I think it flatters my skin tone. But as any Chelsea Smith Cosmetics wig, it could be sold out. They go very, very quickly, so I don't even know if this is still available. I'll try and link it down below in case anyone's interested, but let's get on with this. So I will make sure to link, let me get my words together, all of my items down below. So if you're interested in any of these things, by all means, check out my links. My affiliate code is right here. If you need that, if you're a new user, I think you could probably get something. Maybe, I don't know. So yeah, let's just get right into this. I will also leave a pinned comment in the comment section that has all the links. So, okay, let's just see what I found. So I can tell by looking at this, I have a lot of boxes. So I probably bought like some decor items. This box is not even opened, so what the heck would it be? Usually I at least look at the stuff, so we're gonna be looking at this together. This was $8.53. It says 1 drink packet organizer. I probably wasn't gonna use it for drink packets, but that's what it says it is. $8.53. I swear I bought one of these before. But you guys, we drink quite a bit of water, and I like using drink packets in my water. Like, I'll go to Dollar Tree and get those drink packets or whatnot. And so this is what it looks like. It's just acrylic. It has all these. You could use this for so many things. I mean, you could use this for makeup brushes, pens, pencils, anything really. But I'm going to use it for drink mixes because I use drink mixes all the time, especially like hydrating ones. And it looks like there might be a film on this to peel off. So if it looks kind of dull, that's probably why, but there definitely is. I can tell by looking at it that it needs, like, there's something that needs peeled off so it'll look more bright and less scratched. So yeah, that's what this is for. I don't know if it's worth $8.53 just to organize my drink packets, but at least it makes the counter look a little bit better. The other thing I was thinking I could put in here is maybe like tea bags or like honey sticks or something like that. You know what I mean by those honey sticks you can put in tea. So I don't know. That's my other thought with that product. But $8.53. I don't know if that was a you know. All right, so this was $13.48. Now I will say I bought like 2 of these bust looking decor pieces, and I like the way they look, but I thought they were going to be much bigger. Like, I thought this one was going to be, in fact, I went on the ad and it said it was supposed to be like, I don't even know, way taller than it actually is. So I think I even started a return on one of these, and I'm pretty sure it was this one. And of course it's in styrofoam, which we hate, so I'm probably gonna have white styrofoam all over the place. But I hate that I even read the sizing, you know, like I admittedly sometimes don't read the sizing, but this was way off. Like, it was supposed to be like way taller than it was. We'll just say that. So it's a resin like bust piece. Now, I'm not saying I don't like it. You know, it's really kind of cool and antique looking. I think I'm going to put some like, well, because I can't use it obviously for a necklace bust. Like, it was supposed to be like, I don't know, like 14 inches high and like 5 or 6 inches wide. It's definitely not that at all. I was going to actually hang necklaces off it. Well, obviously I can't do that. So, and I don't hate it. So I think I'm going to put some rub and buff on it to make it look a little bit more old. And then just put it in a jewelry display or something, or in my background or something like that. But yeah, it's okay. I don't know if it's $13.48 worth of okay. It's resin. It looks nice, but you know, it's very white. It's very white, like there's no antiquing to it. So I'm undecided. Should I put rub and buff on here and make it look kind of like, you know, older, like some antiquing wax, or should I leave it like this? I don't know. What do you guys think? Would you leave her like this, or would you try and make her a little bit more old? I think it would be cool if it looked a little bit more old. Again, I don't hate it, but it definitely was not the size I thought it was going to be. based off the ad, which I actually read. Like when I got this, I was like, no, I know. I even thought to myself, I know daggone good and well I read that ad, because I've been trying to pay more attention to that. You know what I mean? Like, because we know how Temu is. Like they'll be like, oh, it's XYZ tall, and it's not. And this is one of those things where it said it was supposed to be a lot bigger, and it's not. So I don't know. I don't hate it though. So you know, this is the other one, I think. This one was actually, maybe this is the one I thought was supposed to be tall. This one was actually more expensive. It was $15.08. That one was like, why was this one? Okay, whatever. Either way, I think it was this one that was supposed to be bigger. Yeah, it was. Yeah. Because I was like, why is this so much smaller? So this is another like bust. Wouldn't this have been cool if it was bigger and putting a necklace on here? And what just flew off of there? Probably styrofoam. But yeah, this is the one I thought I was going to put necklaces on. Because they were like, oh, it's a foot tall and 6 inches wide. I'm like, no, she's definitely not that. There's some like felt on the bottom here. So the question is, yeah, so this one was 15 and this one was like 13. I don't understand. So I did message the seller. I'm like, this thing's like 5 inches tall and 3 inches wide. It is not like 9 or 10 inches tall and 6 inches wide, you know? And they always ask you, do a return, send it back, blah, blah, blah. I'm like, well, I don't want to do all that, you know? Like, a lot of you guys say, oh, do a return. They'll usually just tell you to keep it. They don't. Out of the last 6 returns I've tried to do, they've told me to send it back and have me print a label. It's just a pain in the butt. So I don't know. Do I like it as a decor piece? Yes. Would I have paid $15 for it if I knew it was a small? Absolutely not. I mean, it's a nice heavy piece, but no. Actually, I'm just going to leave these out because I might use rub and buff. Again, what would you guys do? Would you leave them white like this? Or would you distress them out? I'm feeling like I might distress them out a little bit, but I don't know yet. We'll see. I got to think on that one before I do it. Okay, then I bought this little thing. It's just like a little tiny frame with a piece of acrylic in it that I thought would be cute to put like earrings or something on my desk. So this was $6.17. It was not cheap by any means. And it's very, very gold. Like it's gold. It's got a little crown on the top, but this part is like acrylic right here. And it's like a mother of pearl type of look, but I also feel like should I pull something off of there? I don't know, but this is what it looks like close up. But I thought it'd be just cute on a dresser or something with like a ring or some earrings sitting in it. Or maybe if I'm doing a whatnot show, I could put something on here to show. I don't know. Is it worth $6.17? Not really. In fact, I'm thinking about dry brushing this white to tone down the gold color. So it kind of matches these a little bit more. You know what I mean? Like just taking, oops, I'm sorry. Excuse me, lady. Like dry brushing the gold so that it tones it down. Or do you guys think, or would you leave it like this? I don't know. Either way, that was $6.17. So I don't know. I'm just not very happy with this order. You know what I mean? Like, I guess, I don't know, you know, like the sizing of this really made me mad because I actually read it. Like, for once in my life, I actually read the ad and I still screwed up, or they screwed up. All right, next up are these. These were $3.57. They're really cute little like antique looking tags, and they come with jute twine. So they come with the jute twine. And I thought these would be pretty to put on packages if I'm selling something and like just have like a little cute little hang tag with some jute. So they're all like roses and like, you know, they got like that antique kind of feel to them. So this is kind of what they look like. You could put these on anything, really, but they're really pretty. So that's what I'm going to use them for, is just mainly packaging. And there's a ton of them in here. A ton. But they're just really pretty. They're definitely my vibe. So let's see how many are in here. 60. There's 60 in here for like $3. So yeah, this is what they look like. They're just little hang tags, and I like that they come with the jute twine. So I thought if I have like a necklace or something that I've sold, I'll just maybe write a little note on here, say thank you or whatever, and then, you know, just something like a little pretty little thing to add to the packaging, and you get 60. So 60 for $3. I think that goes a long way. Packaging on it, if you're anything like me, packaging on an item is like super important to me. Thanks for watching. Sorry I had to cut this short due to technical difficulties.